What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since we have dropped something on this channel. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Before we get into anything, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so if you're brand new to the channel, drop that subscribe button. We'll be giving one of our balls away as soon as we hit 2,000 subscribers. We greatly appreciate y'all. But anyways, today, special video. We're doing the first 10 with an exclusive release. Brand new to me, don't know if it's new to y'all, Ghost Lock 2. One of my favorite bowling balls is the Ghost Lock, so we're gonna see today how this one stacks up. We're gonna be throwing a game, first 10 of the Ghost Lock 2, and then later in the video, we're gonna compare the Ghost Lock to the Ghost Lock 2. So let's get into it. All right, we're here at the Kegel Training Center. Bowling on a typical house shot. It's a little bit transitioned, so I will be left this video. We're gonna go 32 with our feet, 20 with our eyes. Pretty good start. I'm gonna drop the specs right here of this bowling ball. Same core, stronger cover, has an XT on it, big XT on it, so what I think that means is extra traction. Based on throwing this bowling ball, it is stronger and smoother than the original, so this could be something that I could use for heavy oil patterns. That's some of that Kegel carry right there. Not the greatest shot. We're going to throw a better one this next frame. Ugh. I'm sorry you guys had to see that one. Been working on the 10 pins. The last time you guys saw, I was throwing a bunch of 10 pins and missing them, so I'm a lot happier with the results that I'm getting. Flat 10 there. That wasn't a really great shot off my hand, so we're gonna rotate this one a little bit more. That way you can get around and knock out with a 10. A little better. As you can see, it went through the rack a lot better because I rotated a little bit more. That was a really good one. Yeah. Like I said before, stronger than the first one. Still similar motion. Chef's kiss. Another pretty good one. Ooh. Snapping to 10. If this ball is just as good as the original, man, house shots better watch out. Oh boy. Ooh. I got that one right quick and I was scared that it was gonna overhook. It kind of blended, which is good. On house shots, I'm always looking for something that's gonna blend the wet dry. Where I miss it, it hooks, and where I miss right, it's just that smooth round shape, not that hockey stick. Not that hockey stick kind of shape. Roll up. Not surprised there. Not surprised. The good ones never strike. All right, 20. Yeah, that one wasn't gonna leave an 8 pin. Going into the 10th, you know what that means. We strike, we keep going. Let's go one more, just cause. All right, we struck endless 10th. Got 258 left. If we throw 2 more. Guys, I might not miss for a while, so strap in. All right, so I shot 250. We'll get into some floor shots. I don't know if I'm gonna throw this ball much longer because it's like leaving a little like blister mark. I'm gonna throw like a couple from the floor, get some of that, and then I'm gonna show the Ghost Lock in comparison. So appreciate y'all. The reason we're doing this is because of our sponsor, FatBoy Waffles, on the other channel. If you guys haven't already, check them out. Check them out on Facebook. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Go over to our main channel to watch the video and make sure you guys are entered in the giveaway. Until next time, see you on the next one.